Ọlákúnfàyà kún Ọlọ́run ọba. Ewé ń jẹ́. Ọlákúnfàyà kún Ọlọ́run ọba. Ewé ń jẹ́. Ewé ajẹ́. Ewé ń jẹ́. Àwọn olórí dábọ̀ sóhun mi lọ́jọ́ dìbò. Ewé ń jẹ́. La ilaha illallah. Alawalu, alakiru, asohiru, abatinu, Ọlọ́run ọba. Ìwọ ló pamọ́, ìwọ ló fara jáde. Alárágbá yìí dániyàn, ara tó wù ọ́ dáadáa ló dẹ̀ ń dá. Èyí tó ní káwa máa fẹ́ wé dá ládẹ̀ fi dá. Ìwọ ṣàlò ní kọ́kọ́rọ́ gbogbo ẹ̀mí nìyẹn. Fásikúrò ni wọ́n nínú ìsìnkú. Láfi ń ṣe tiwa, ewé jẹ́ òbẹ̀. Èyí tó dá fún wa ládẹ̀ gbójúlé, èyí tó ní ká ló ládẹ̀ ń lò. Ọba ńlá ń dákun máa jẹ́.
I want to explain how to use these two materials on the 1st of every month. On the 1st of every month. But you are going to do this. You can do it in the morning or you do it in the night. You must do it on the 1st. Are you with me? There are many ways to use these materials to attract a lot of money into your business, to end promise and fail. When someone gives you money, when someone promised to give you money, believe me, when you use this assignment that month, that person is going to give you the money by the grace of Almighty God. If you have anything that disturbing you financially, you understand, you have a good job, you have a good handwork, and nothing seems to work out with you, please, you will get these fertility leaves. In Yoruba language, we call it ewe akoko, fertility leaves. And money of your country. Like if you are in Nigeria, you are going to use 1,000 naira new notes, or use 500 naira new notes. This one is not new. I'm using this one for an example. My brothers and sisters, if you try this simple assignment, by the grace of Almighty God, you will surely share me a good testimony. It's very simple and very, very effective. Only if you follow this simple instruction. And once again, whenever you watch my video, please, I advise you to like the video. If you can't share my video, please help me to like. And I believe as you like my video, as you share my video, may Almighty God bless you and bless your family. So how to do it and how to use it. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Dr. Mutiu, or Latiboy, also known as Baby Winje. And if this is your first time here, everything I do here is to share spiritual tip, just like the one I want to share with you right now. And if you find this video very interesting, please don't forget to subscribe to this channel and make sure you turn on the notification bell. So whenever I upload video like this, you'll be the first person to watch. And if you need more of my videos, you are free to go back to my previous video. You will see a lot of videos that can help your spiritual life. If you don't understand, please feel free to call me on 070-3742-2552, or you message me on WhatsApp 090-5333-2747. So in today's video, I want to explain how to use fertility leaves and the money of your country. There are many ways to use these fertility leaves. There is one that you can use with coconut water. But this one, you are not going to use coconut water. You use fertility leaves, which is ewe akoko, and the money of your country, most especially on the 1st of every month. Are you with me? On the 1st of every month. So what are you going to do with these fertility leaves? You will get it. You will get these fertility leaves fresh, warm. You get it. So you now get the water that you know that you can use this water to bathe every part of your body. Plenty water. you can use to bathe every part of your body. You now put these fertility leaves in that water. Are you with me? What you are going to do is that you will squeeze it very well, like you are washing your clothes. You will squeeze it very well. Then after that, you stir it, you filter it, you remove all the particles. Don't have anything to do with the particles, right? You throw them away. So what you need is the water that you use to squeeze this leaf. Are you with me? So after that, you now put this money in that water. You put the money there at least for 1 hour 30 minutes. You leave this water, you put it inside, you put the money inside the water, and you leave it for 30 minutes. See, one thing I used to do with this money is that I want this money to go down at the bottom of the rubber, right? First thing you are going to do is that you will find empty rubber. You place this money in that empty rubber. You look for a big stone. You place it on top of this money so that when you add water, it will not float. You understand? You now add water. You add water on this money. You leave it for 1 hour 30 minutes. Or if you can do it on the end of the month and you leave it till the day break, which is on the 1st. If you know that you can't bathe it in the morning, you want to bathe it in the night, you do it in the morning, you leave it in the night. You can leave it more than 1 hour 30 minutes, right? But if you know that you want to bathe it in the morning, you do it on maybe 28th of the month, or you do it on the 30th or 31st of the month, ending of the month, you do it. So on the 1st of the second month, you bathe it in the morning. Are you with me? But if you want to bathe it immediately, you leave it at least for 1 hour 30 minutes. So after that, you take the water to your bedroom. Don't remove the money yet. You can remove the stone. You leave the money, or sometimes you can also leave the stone with the money, right? The stone has nothing to do with this assignment. You just use the stone to hold down the money so that it will not float up. So now use this water to wash every part of your body with any soap of your choice. You can use chemical soap, you can use medicated soap, you can use spiritual soap. Use this water to wash every part of your body. Please do not share this water with anyone. So after this, you remove the money. You can dry it under the sun when it is well dried, or you can use iron to dry it. So the money, you are going to give it someone, or you use the money to buy something without collecting change. You use the money to buy something without collect change. You understand? Or you give it to someone. It doesn't have any side effect with anyone. Believe me. There is one that you are going to use coconut water. You will soak this money in that coconut water. You drink from the coconut water before you spend the money. But I'm not going there today. It's like I've explained that before. But this one is, you will use this water to bathe every part of your body, and you will now remove the money, you give it to the beggars, or use it to buy something. You understand? If you are afraid to give someone, you are afraid to give someone, you are afraid to buy some, use it to buy something, you can send it to me. Ask for my account. I will send it to you. I will spend the money and nothing will happen. It has no side effects, believe me. So it's very simple and very, very effective. Only follow my instruction. Please, if you love this video, help me to like this video. As you like my video, may Almighty God bless you.
Alawalu, alakiru, asohiru, abatinu, Ọlọ́run ọba. Ìwọ ló pamọ́, ìwọ ló fara jáde.